In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can disable your active status on Messenger, which is also known as activity status. This feature is represented by a green circle next to your profile picture when you're online. While you can typically see the active status of others, disabling yours will also prevent you from seeing who else is active. So in order to turn it off, you need to open your Messenger application on your device. Navigate to the menu icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, select Settings from the top. Then after, scroll down and there under Profile section, you'll get the option of Active Status. Go ahead and select it. Now simply toggle off this option right here, and you can choose to disable it for a custom duration or until you manually re-enable it. Go ahead and choose whatever you like. Then after, click on Pause, which is highlighted in blue color. And you have now successfully turned off your active status on Messenger. And now you will no longer be able to see the active status of others as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.